Fantastic move in both the markets. Stalkers, welcome back. Market is bullish. Most of the stocks are just flying high. They are unstoppable. I hope you picked up the right stocks. I made money today and I hope you did as well. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. Look at this. Today's green candle again proves market is positive. There are chances of continuation from here. As we know, resistance stands at 4,290 points. Today it dipped down till about 4,283 and then we saw recovery coming in. Closing is above 4,300 points at 4,309. This is very good. Tomorrow being Friday, there are chances we may see profit booking in the markets, so you may plan your positions accordingly. So if at all market wants to continue up from here, as I had mentioned in my yesterday's video, there is minor resistance between 4,310 to 4,315. Either market may take a pause here and then it may continue its upside momentum coming week, or if market wants to take a breather or a small correction, then immediate support will be around this area, that is 4,290. If this fails, we have support at 4,280 and there are many support zones on the way down, so we don't need to worry. In case if market wants to correct itself, definitely it will find support and rebound as market is now bullish. For example, if at all these zones are not holding the market, we have strong support around this area, that is breakout zone 4,240 area. But I'm very positive, very bullish about DFM market index. There are very good chances we will see continuation to the upside. In any scenarios, mind you, in any scenarios, even if market wants to come down for a correction, we should see a rebound very quickly. I don't think market will go down for a deeper correction. Overall, DFM market is positive. There are very good opportunities provided you select your stocks correctly. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. Check this out. Closing is above resistance, that is 9,350 points. Today's candle close is positive. Closing is at 9,370 points. We are seeing all green candles for the last 7 days, which is positive, but now I'm a bit skeptical because next area of resistance is very strong, that is 9,400 points. So if at all market climbs up directly, then there are chances we may see aggressive push to the downside. The best scenario, which I personally like when I see a bullish chart, I want to see market consolidating near the resistance area. If at all it had already taken a run, so if at all it takes a breather near the resistance, then there are very good chances we may see a continuation to the upside aggressively. If I have to show you an example, check this out. Previously when we were tracking the market or when we were stalking the market, we saw move from 8,975 points, it moved up. 9,160 was strong resistance. Check this out, how beautifully market spent about 2 weeks here and then finally it made a breakout. This is a good build-up area. This is nice consolidation. Buyers and sellers were just fighting for the trend and finally buyers took the control. We saw a strong momentum till about 9,400 points. And from here obviously this decline was due to the geopolitical scenarios, but then market beautifully recovered aggressively and now market is gearing up for next move that will be about 9,400 points. So tomorrow's closing will be very important. If at all it wants to come down for a correction or a small retracement, then this area, that is 9,315 to 9,300 is support. If this fails, then next area of support is 9,245. There are many support zones on the way up because we are seeing strong momentum to the upside. Obviously after this, whenever market drops, fresh buyers will jump in because they must have missed the opportunities at the lower prices. So this will create a support zone and market will rebound. Once this area, that is 9,400 is taken out, then we have next resistance at 9,480 points. Overall, ADX market is also very bullish. Trust me, there are many stocks that are flying high, so better catch them at the right price at the right time. Multiply performed very well today as expected, and this is a confirmed breakout with this solid green candle. Volumes were just crazy today in Multiply. By the way, if you did not watch my yesterday's video, I will provide an iCard right at the top. Do watch that video, it will help you to understand how breakout occurs and the reason why I had recommended this stock. As we know, after hitting 2.40, it started to correct itself. This was the gap that it created due to the geopolitical scenarios. We saw strong downside momentum right near the support zone, that is 2.05. Again, it started to recover. But so far it did not fill up the gap that it created due to this strong downside momentum, and it was just trading within this symmetrical triangle pattern. From here it was just going sideways. I was stalking this stock very closely. I was waiting for a breakout, and in my yesterday's video I had shared my entry as well. I took positions around here, that is 2.14, 2.13. Today, as expected, it opened with a gap up. This was my first indication there are good chances of a breakout, and absolutely this is what we are seeing. It went up till about 2.23, closing is at 2.20. Still, this is positive. There are very good chances tomorrow again it may open with a gap up and continue its upside momentum, or even a flat opening should be considered positive. However, let's be prepared on the negative side. Tomorrow being Friday, there are chances many investors and traders will book their profits. In case if it wants to come down for a correction, this should be our buying opportunity again. In case if you want to add more quantities, 2.17 to 2.18 will be a good area. In case if you have missed your entries into this zone, that is 2.13, 2.14, 2.15, then this zone will be the opportunity for those who have missed the train. They can add quantities here, and we are expecting upside momentum from here. Strong area of resistance is around 2.30, and once this is done, gap area will be filled, and then multiply will decide whether it wants to come down for a correction from here or continue its upside momentum. Overall, multiply is now positive with today's breakout. One of the stock that surprised me today was DSI. Not because of its move. I was expecting a positive move today. I am surprised because it hit my target today itself. I had uploaded a short video in the morning. Just in case if you have missed that, do watch it. A link will appear right at the top. As I had mentioned in my short video, it's been consolidating since so many days, and there are good chances of a breakout of this resistance area, that is 0.372. It was just going sideways for so many days. It established a support at 0.362. After a massive drop to the downside from 0.423 area, it took a bounce from 0.350, and then it went into consolidation phase. It broke immediate resistance of 0.372. It also took out 0.377. Resistance of 0.390 was also taken out during the day, and it hit our target bullseye, that is 0.400. This is fantastic. Today's closing is below both the resistance areas, which is quite normal because after a long time it's hitting the resistance zone. There are bag holders in this area, obviously, since it's visiting this zone after a long time. So we can expect some profit booking. Today's closing is at 0.387. There are good chances it may try and hit again either tomorrow or coming week. DSI again is positive. Those who took entries into this area, definitely they made good money today. So guys, this was the quick update with today's market. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.